Siamese fighting fish, or commonly called betta fish, is one of the most popular ornamental fish, famous for its beautiful. This fish is often referred to as fighting fish because of its aggressive nature, especially in males, which will. They have a variety of colors, from red, blue, green, to striking purple, as well as long and elegant fins, making them a very interesting fish to keep. One of the features of betta fish is their ability to breathe through gills and labyrinth organs, which allows them to survive in waters with low oxygen, such as ponds or small containers. Betta fish are also known as fish with strong personalities. They can be aggressive or calm, depending on the conditions and environment in which they live. In terms of reproduction, the female betta will lay eggs after mating, and the male fish will guard the eggs in the bubble nest he makes. Despite their small size, betta fish have a lifespan of around 3 to 5 years and are quite easy to keep, as long as they are given good care. Their beauty, unique behavior, and relatively easy care make betta fish very popular pets. Now, do you know, there are several unique facts about betta fish. Number 1. Betta fish, or betta splendens, get the nickname fighting fish because of their very aggressive nature, especially between males. In their natural habitat in Southeast Asia, especially Thailand, Laos, and Cambodia, betta fish live in small ponds, swamps, and waterways that have little space. Therefore, they become very territorial. Male betta fish will defend their territory fiercely and tend to attack other fish that are considered a threat to their position. When two male betta fish are placed in a container that is too small, they will immediately start fighting, showing each other their beautiful fins, and trying to bully each other until one of them gives up. In some cases, this fight can continue until one of the fish dies. This aggressive nature is also caused by the hormones in their bodies, which are influenced by the mating season and environmental conditions. In ancient times, betta fish fights were even used as entertainment or betting by people in Asia. In some countries, this tradition still exists today, although many consider it an inhumane activity and prohibit it. However, this aggressive nature can be controlled if betta fish are maintained properly. Betta fish owners often separate the male fish to avoid conflicts and keep them in separate tanks. In fact, there are techniques used to train male bettas to be calmer or more accustomed to the presence of other fish around them without fighting, such as by introducing them slowly and controlling the distance. It is important to note that although betta fish have an aggressive nature towards males, they tend to be more peaceful when interacting with females, although they still maintain their territorial instincts. Number 2. One of the main attractions of betta fish is their fascinating diversity of colors and body shapes. Betta fish have the ability to show various very bright and striking color combinations. Colors such as red, blue, green, yellow, and purple are the most commonly found in betta fish, but there are also bettas with rarer colors such as white, black, or even very attractive metallic color variations. Betta fish have a long, wide, and elegant fin structure. These fins not only function for swimming, but also play an important role in fighting rituals and their appearance in attracting females during the mating season. The longer and larger the betta fish's fins, the more beautiful they look in the world of ornamental fish. There are several types of bettas with very different fins, such as crown-tail bettas fins that branch like a crown, double tails having two separate tail fins, and plax fins that are shorter and denser. Apart from that, bettas are also known for their ability to change color. Environmental factors and the care given to these fish, such as water quality and lighting, can affect the intensity of their color. Food also plays a role in adding brightness to their color. Betta fish that are fed with natural pigments, such as astaxanthin, which is found in many shrimp and crustaceans, tend to show brighter and sharper colors. Betta fish's color can also change in response to stress or changes in their mood, such as when they feel threatened or when they feel comfortable. Apart from that, the beautiful colors of bettas are often the main attraction for ornamental fish fans. In various countries, there are competitions held to select the betta fish with the best appearance. Betta fish's color can also change in response to stress or changes in their mood, such as when they feel threatened or when they feel comfortable. Apart from that, the beautiful colors of bettas are often the main attraction for ornamental fish fans. In various countries, there are competitions held to select the betta fish with the best appearance. Number 3. One characteristic of betta fish that differentiates them from many other types of fish is their ability to breathe through to respiratory organs, namely the gills and the labyrinth. Betta fish have gills which allow them to absorb oxygen from the water like other fish. However, bettas are also equipped with an organ called a labyrinth, which allows them to take oxygen directly from the air. The labyrinth is a special organ located near the gills of betta fish and functions to filter oxygen from the air. This organ allows bettas to survive in waters with low oxygen levels, such as small ponds, swamps, or isolated waterways, which often have poor water quality and low oxygen levels. The existence of this labyrinth organ is an important adaptation that allows betta fish to live in less than ideal environments, which are generally uninhabitable by many other fish species. The ability to breathe through a labyrinth gives betta fish a great advantage in certain situations, such as when they are in ponds with low oxygen levels or during the dry season, where many bodies of water dry out and reduce dissolved oxygen. Even though betta fish can live in water with low oxygen levels, they still need access to the surface of the water to breathe. Therefore, the aquarium where bettas are kept must have an open surface, and the water quality level must be maintained properly. However, even though bettas can live in waters with low oxygen, water quality must still be considered properly. Pollution or drastic changes in water quality can cause serious health problems for betta fish. Therefore, even though they can survive in extreme environments, caring for betta fish still requires special attention to water cleanliness and appropriate temperatures. Number 4. Even though betta fish are small, they have strong personalities and are very interesting to keep. Male betta fish, as already mentioned, are famous for their aggressive nature towards other males, but they also have an intelligent nature and can interact with their owners. Many betta fish owners report that their fish are able to recognize them and often respond when called or fed. Betta fish are known to have the ability to learn and adapt to their surrounding environment. They can be trained to do some simple tricks, such as jumping through hoops or following their owner's hand movements. Some owners even train betta fish to recognize and approach when there is certain movement around the aquarium. This shows that betta fish have a higher level of intelligence than many people think. Apart from that, bettas also show very interesting behavior in their social interactions. They tend to be more aggressive if they feel threatened or if they see their own reflection on the surface of the water. At the same time, they can also display calm and peaceful behavior when they feel comfortable or when they are exploring their new environment. Betta fish behavior is greatly influenced by the environment and conditions of care. If kept in less than ideal or stressful conditions, these fish can exhibit more anxious or even aggressive behavior. On the other hand, betta fish that are kept in good conditions and given attention will be cheerful and full of energy. Number 5. The reproductive process of betta fish is unique and attracts many ornamental fish fans, both for those who want to breed betta fish and those who are interested in the behavior of this fish. This process begins with typical behavior carried out by male betta fish to attract the attention of females. During the mating season, the male will begin building a bubble nest with his mouth. This nest is made of air bubbles mixed with saliva, and the nest becomes a shelter for the eggs and larvae later. Male betta fish will woo females by performing a dance called the mating tug. During this process, the male will swim closer to the female, open his fins, and show brighter body colors to attract the female's attention. An interested female will follow the male's movements, and the two will circle together around the bubble nest. After the mating dance process is complete, the female will release eggs, which usually number between 30 and 50, depending on the size of the female fish. The male fish will immediately collect the eggs and move them into the bubble nest he has made. In this stage, the male fish acts as a guard, protecting the eggs and ensuring that they remain in the nest during the incubation period. The male fish will guard the developing eggs and larvae in the nest very carefully, ensuring that they do not fall out or are attacked by predators or disturbances. After a few days, the eggs hatch into larvae. In the next few days, the newly hatched larvae will begin to swim freely, but they still need protection from the male fish. At this stage, the male fish will continue to guard the nest and provide protection until the larvae develop into more independent juveniles. After the rearing process is complete and the young bettas begin to swim freely, the male fish will usually separate from them. Some betta fish enthusiasts who want to breed them further will move the male and female fish to avoid fighting between them. However, the mating process of these betta fish illustrates how strong the male fish's nurturing instincts are and the important role they play in ensuring the survival of their offspring. Number 6. Although betta fish are known for their charming appearance and strong personalities, their lifespan tends to be shorter than that of many other fish species. In general, betta fish can live between 3 to 5 years, although there are some cases where betta fish can live longer if properly cared for. Betta fish's short lifespan can be influenced by a variety of factors, including water quality, diet, and overall care. One of the main factors that can influence the lifespan of a betta fish is the quality of the water in the aquarium. Betta fish are very sensitive to changes in water quality, and if the water in the aquarium is polluted or too hot, it can cause health problems that shorten their lifespan. Therefore, it is important for betta fish owners to regularly change aquarium water and ensure that the water condition remains stable and clean. Apart from that, the food given to betta fish also plays an important role in their health. Although betta fish are relatively easy to feed, they require a balanced diet to grow healthily and have a long life. Foods rich in protein, such as specially formulated betta fish pellets, can help strengthen their immune system and improve their quality of life. Stress is also a factor that can affect the lifespan of betta fish. Betta fish kept in stressful conditions, such as in containers that are too small or exposed to noise, can experience stress that has a negative impact on their health. Therefore, a large enough tank, good care, and a calm environment will help increase your betta fish's chances of living longer. On the other hand, even though the lifespan of betta fish is relatively short, they are still very interesting fish to keep. Their beauty and uniqueness often make their owners feel satisfied even if they have to let them go after a few years. Many betta fish enthusiasts enjoy keeping them for several years and then looking for new fish to continue caring for. Number 7. Betta fish are known for being relatively easy to care for, making them an excellent choice for beginners who are just starting out in the hobby of keeping ornamental fish. These fish don't require a large or complicated aquarium to keep, but they still need attention and a suitable environment to live a healthy and happy life. A larger aquarium allows bettas to move more freely and have enough space to grow. In addition, a larger aquarium size also helps maintain more stable water quality. Apart from the size of the aquarium, water temperature is also very important for the health of betta fish. Betta fish come from tropical areas, so they need warm water temperatures, around 24 to 28 degrees Celsius. Using an aquarium heater that can keep the water temperature stable is highly recommended, especially in areas with cold climates. Unstable temperatures can cause stress and health problems in betta fish. Betta fish owners are advised to change aquarium water at least once a week and use appropriate filters to maintain good water quality. Checking the pH levels of the water and the ammonia content must also be carried out regularly to ensure that the betta fish remain in the best condition. Proper feeding is also very important. Betta fish are carnivores, which means they require protein-based food, such as betta fish pellets or live foods such as bloodworms and daphnia. Number 8. One of the reasons why betta fish are so popular among ornamental fish lovers is their very interesting and colorful behavior. Male betta fish, with their aggressiveness and intelligence, offer entertainment for their owners. They are very reactive to their surroundings and can exhibit a variety of interesting behaviors that can be observed every day. Male bettas are known for their territorial attitude. When they feel their territory is threatened, for example, by the presence of other fish or their own reflection in a mirror, they will display aggressive behavior, opening their fins wide and attacking the image or object present. This is an example of their self-defense behavior and is often an interesting sight for their owners. Apart from that, betta fish also have a tendency to respond to sound or movements around the aquarium. Many owners report that betta fish can recognize them and react when they approach or when certain sounds are heard, such as feeding sounds. Some owners even train bettas to follow movements or react to certain objects. Another unique behavior is when betta fish are looking for a mate. During the mating season, male bettas will display brighter and more intense body colors and perform dance movements to attract the attention of females. This dance involves spinning movements and showing their flaring fins, which is a symbol of the male's attraction to the female. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to find out other fish facts. See you in other interesting facts.